Assalamu alaikum. Yes, students, I'm asking you a question that if you are uh, in kitchen and you feel smell of the food that is cooking in the kitchen, what do you think? That did the smell walk to you, or uh, did something else happen? So today we are going to discuss how the particles move. Actually, this is because of the diffusion. Now, what is diffusion? The movement of the particles from the region of high concentration towards the region of low concentration. In the kitchen, the particles are in high concentration and then they move towards the lower concentration where you are standing. Even though you are standing far apart from the kitchen, you can smell the food. The question arises that why does this happen? Because the molecules or particles have kinetic energy in them. Because of that kinetic energy, the particles continuously and randomly move and they collide with each other. They collide with each other until they evenly distributed. In the region of high concentration, the molecules, the gas molecules continuously move, collide randomly, and they collide with each other and spread until they evenly distributed. No one pushed them. So basically, this is because of the kinetic energy which the molecules have inside them. If I ask you that are these particles, uh, are the gas particles standing still? Yes, no, they can't stand still, they continuously move. So remember that diffusion happens because of the constant random motion of the gas particles. Now, and other important thing which is important in the movement of the gas particle is relative molecular mass. Now, what is relative molecular mass? The relative molecular mass is sum of the masses of the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. For example, the water. Water, the formula of water is H2. Here you can see the two atoms, hydrogen and oxygen. So hydrogen, the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. But you can see there are 2 atoms of hydrogen. So we will multiply it with 2. Now oxygen. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16. But there is only 1 atom of oxygen. So we will multiply it with 1, 16. Now we sum up this 16, 17, 18. So the relative molecular weight of water is 18. Right? So when a gas has lighter molecular weight, this gas will diffuse faster as compared to the high molecular weight. For example, oxygen, O2, we show molecule of oxygen as O2 and carbon dioxide CO2. 32, the relative molecular weight of oxygen is 32 and the relative molecular weight of carbon dioxide is 40. So, which gas is lighter? Tell me. Yes, the oxygen is lighter than carbon dioxide because it has lower molecular weight as compared to carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide has higher molecular weight as compared to oxygen. So which gas will diffuse faster, lighter or heavier? Yes, lighter. Oxygen will diffuse faster as compared to the carbon dioxide. Okay. Now, we will do a prediction activity right now, right? Everyone will participate in it. Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. The molecular weight of oxygen gas is 2, hydrogen gas is 2, oxygen is 32 and carbon dioxide is 44. So, which, no, which gas diffuses fast? Tell me the answer. Yes, the hydrogen will diffuse fast, right? Which gas diffuses slow? Yes, the carbon dioxide diffuses slow. What's the reason behind that? Because the hydrogen is lighter because it has lower molecular weight, and carbon dioxide diffuses slower because it has a high molecular weight. Very good. Okay. If I give you a challenge that why hydrogen diffuses faster than carbon dioxide, you will give me the answer that because hydrogen is lighter than carbon dioxide. That's why hydrogen diffuses faster. Okay. Now we'll play a fun game, right? You will say just slow or fast. Okay. Fun game. Hydrogen, carbon dioxide, helium, chlorine, nitrogen, oxygen. Right. Okay. Two. These are I'm writing their molecular weights. 4, chlorine 71, nitrogen 28, oxygen 32. So I will call the name of the gas and you will tell me the diffusion. Either it is slow or fast. You will just say slow or fast, right? Hydrogen, slow. Carbon dioxide, hydrogen, fast. Carbon dioxide, slow. Helium, fast. Chlorine, slow. Nitrogen, fast. Oxygen, slow. Why? Because of their, how you uh, got the answer? Because by seeing their molecular weight, by observing their molecular weights, you can judge that either it will diffuse fast or it will diffuse slow, right? Okay, now it's the homework time, and now I will also send you the worksheets which you will solve in the homework. Okay, and now I'm also giving some questions and you will solve it by yourself. Okay, okay, write down the homework. Define diffusion. Question 2. Why are gas particles always moving? Question 3. Which diffuses faster? Oxygen or hydrogen? Okay, let's wrap up our lesson. What is diffusion? Diffusion is the movement of the particle from the region of high concentration towards the region of low concentration. Why does this happen? Because the particles of the gas continuously collide, continuously move, because they have kinetic energy inside them. That's why the gas molecule continuously move until they evenly distributed. What is relative molecular mass? The sum of the all atomic masses of the atoms present in a molecule is called relative atomic mass. The gas which has lighter atomic mass diffuses faster, and the gas which has a high molecular mass diffuses slower. So this is all about the diffusion and the relative atomic mass. Thank you.